Greetings, everybody. Welcome back to Creepy Nibs. I am your ghost, Count Chocula, and we're going to be doing another pen unboxing. Because remember in my last video where I said that there was another PenBBS pen that I would be getting in a short amount of time? Well, right after filming, I went downstairs and boom, there was. Surprise, boop, plopped out of the sky by the male person. And so, yeah, this one, as you can see on the description of contents, this is the 323 transparent with yet another fine nib. So we're gonna tear this open as ceremoniously as possible. See if we can do a peely peel. Oh, there we go. There we go. Opening. Alrighty, so there's nothing else in the bag. Bubble wrap, happiness, and a random piece of blue string. What's that doing there? Sorry, I don't know why I found that so funny. So we're gonna tear this tape off without knocking over everything. Loose for creation. There's a razor blade right here. I'm just gonna dicey. There we go. I have removed the exoskeleton. There is an endoskeleton. It's okay, I like skeletons. They're cool. Ah! See, I was not able to do this without knocking everything over. Alright. Unroll, discard. Alrighty, here's the bottom of this nice black box. Has a texture to it that I enjoy. See, 323 16SF. Yet again, with the SF. Top slides off. That can go over there. Translucent, colorful foam. Looks like it has hollow glitter. But it's not. Alright, pen arrives in its own little plastic bag. We will slip it out. Slip it out. There we go. Alright. This is friggin' gorgeous. It is incredibly smooth. It's... oh, that feels very nice in the hand. It's got a nice weight to it. I enjoy that. You can see the nib very clearly. Definitely shows off the nib. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. If it'll focus, that'll be even better because you'll be able to see the gorgeousness. Alright, there we go. Yeah, look at that. Top of the pen, bottom of the pen are deliciously clear. Yeah, the barrel is very nice as well. Let's twist the cap off. Ooh. Very smooth threading. I like that. Alright. So put the cap down there. Give you a better look at this guy. Alrighty. Check it out. That's really nice. The feet looks really good too. I like the amount of fins They're very nicely cut. Probably fragile as hell. So yeah, I'm going to have to be careful if I ever decide to switch out the nib on any PenBBS pen. So let's unscrew the section. It feels like there's an O-ring there that is offering a fair amount of resistance, and boom, there is. So yeah, I like that. It feels very nice. Again, the converter is very clear, very snug. Spring for agitation and shit. Section is nice. I would imagine that this unscrews. Yeah. Nib section unscrews like so. Again, it has that swoop nib. Not like a fude by any means, but it swoops. So we'll just make sure that's nice and in there. We'll see what this looks like without the converter, because I bet it's even nicer. This was made to be eyedroppered, I would imagine. So yeah, very nice. That's a sexy pen. Cap. Capping mechanism is fantastic. I enjoy that. It's really secure. You can really tell that it's in there. It's not going to leak. At least not out of the cap. Maybe into the cap. That might be a problem at some point, but we'll have to find out. Measurements and all the other boring stuff will be into the description box. Because I don't want to talk about it, and I don't even know them right now. So, yeah. I'm not going to fully ink this up, because this is going to be a gift. And at least it's intended to be. We'll find out if it ever actually gets to that person. So yeah, I'm just going to dip test it. And we'll be right back. Wait, you don't have to be. No, we can totally just do this right now. I'll clear this out of the way. Doot. Alright. The ink we'll be testing this out with is Pilot Iroshizuku's Kiri-same. See it there. It's one of my favorite inks ever. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous gray color. I haven't even used much of it as much as I love it, because I don't want to use too much of it too fast. I'll probably have it for years, because I'm like, no, I need to save it. When compared to other inks that I do end up using a lot of, it's not too much more expensive. Aurora Black. So, stick that here. Remove the cap. Remove the cap of the pen. Dip. Alrighty. Put the cap back on immediately. Put that over there. I'm gonna grab a piece of paper towel, because I did get a little bit on the top of the section there that you can't see because it's not focusing. So yeah, there we go. Alrighty. Try this this time. Alrighty. Kind of hard to see. At least on this. Just dipping it. It's not quite as smooth as the 350, but it's still decently smooth. I'll try this again. Maybe I should have used a more saturated ink. Oh, no, there, it's coming up there. See. Anyway, this is this quirky joke. Chefs won't pay double magic zebra tax. I can make a joke about Nathan Tardif, but we're just going to leave that as it is. So yeah, that's how it writes. Pretty nice. Probably be more wet if I filled it properly. But yeah, I'm not going to try for any line variation. That's not what this is meant for. Calm yourself. Be nice to your pens, and they will be nice to you for many years to come. I'm gonna put this in a bit of water. I would imagine this cleans out fairly decently, and I've never had a problem with this ink in any of my other pens. So yeah, that's that, and no harm done. So yeah, there we go. PenBBS. Good stuff. I want more of their pens. They're nice. If this came with a clip, I would order like 50 of them. But it doesn't. So here we are. I hope you enjoyed your viewing experience. And I will talk to all of you at a later date.